Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Pencil by BK and day 18 how to improvement a communication skill with a English log. I am dedicated to day by day improvement is only for 1% and that's why to change of my life. Right? And day 18 is something revolutionary in my life. So that is the not a day by day only for topic discussion, but at the time I express my as a feelings, my emotions, and my regret of my life. I express in this English log, right? Because the emotional, intelligent are two very important of my life. That is the change of a new revolution in your separate in your my life. But deadline in a fix every one person, each and every person so. But normally you are not want about yourself, and you are not properly perfect and 100% you are true. You are to dedicate not interested popularity, but that is the important of the society. Not only for depend of you are independent in your life. Why? Because you are to only for as a social animals, not a robot, right? You learn of the different types of society regulation and follow rules and regulations. So that is the determination of all of types. But literally, I not as a pageful feel to everyone student and everyone else. You are not a perfection, but you are to speak in English. Why? One day, change. Absolutely right. Only for one day, I change. That is the my proof, and my work from only for my karma. Only for one video, 2 to 5 minute upload. Why? Because the make of my discipline, my compound work, and one day result to make a single day and a 365 day to a new revolutionary world. So I am not a properly speak in English. Why? Because society are to find my English and which type of mistake, and you are laughing and comment in sections. But I'm not matter. Why? What is the society, right? First one, what is the society and what a find or determine a society? Which people says that is the society definition? Which one? No anyone. That is the right. Why? Because four people says you are not good, but I say five people I say I including I am a good. That is the zero. Okay, and so much thank you so much. You watch my day 18 of vlogs. Why? Because I'm not a properly time spent of the make or editing and anyone. But at the time as a start up my YouTube in a camera and upload and shoot and upload in this YouTube platform. And some things are not properly pronounced as a grammatical problems, but one time it's a change. So I am a day 18 to be continue and start my new beginning, a new challenge in my life. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much, dear.